In today's digitized financial landscape, a myriad of platforms beckon investors with their siren songs. Among the cacophony, two names often rise above the rest: Robinhood, the audacious newcomer, and E Trade, the seasoned voyager. But which of these titans aligns with your investment rhythm? Let's embark on an illuminating journey into the heart of these platforms to reveal their hidden treasures and challenges. Robinhood, the digital revolutionary. Origin tale. Heralding a new era in the finance world, Robinhood, the brainchild of Vlad Tenev and Baiju Bhatt, promised a vision: financial inclusivity. With its entry, the once daunting world of stocks became accessible to the everyday individual, reshaping the topography of digital investing. Strengths: barrier-free trading. Robinhood's piece de resistance lies in its no-commission structure, making stock trading an accessible pursuit. Elegance and simplicity. Its interface, with clean lines and intuitive design, entices the tech-driven newer generations. Dabbling in digital gold, expanding its horizon, Robinhood embraced the crypto age, offering popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Challenges: skimming on depth. While simplicity is its strength, Robinhood can sometimes leave advanced traders craving for detailed research tools. Customer relations maze. Instances of delayed customer service responses have occasionally marred its reputation. Navigating controversies. Robinhood has at times been ensnared in debates, especially during turbulent trading periods, raising questions about its practices. E Trade, the digital maestro of yesteryears. Origin tale. Before the internet became a household staple, E Trade had already envisioned its potential. Establishing itself in 1982 and transitioning to online trading, it laid down the foundation for digital brokerages. Strengths: an arsenal of tools. E Trade's platform is a treasure trove for those seeking in-depth research tools and comprehensive data analytics. The investment kaleidoscope. Their offerings span across stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more, catering to diverse investment appetites. Empowerment through knowledge. E Trade prides itself on its rich repository of educational content, sculpting informed investors. Challenges: balancing the fee scale. In an age drifting towards zero-commission models, E Trade has had to reconfigure its fee structures. Navigational overwhelm. New entrants might feel like a child lost in a museum, fascinated but overwhelmed. Mobile strides. While robust in features, its mobile platform might lack the fluidity that mobile-native competitors showcase. Head-to-head, Robinhood versus E Trade. Demographic appeal. Robinhood, with its digital sheen, magnetizes younger tech enthusiasts. E Trade, with its depth, speaks to a spectrum, from beginners to trade veterans. Trading ambiance. Robinhood's minimalist approach makes for swift trades, while E Trade feels like a well-stocked library, rich but detailed. Investment spectrum. E Trade's longevity grants it a wider palette of investment options, although Robinhood isn't far behind with its expanding offerings. Fortress of security. Both prioritize the sanctity of user data with state-of-the-art encryption. However, E Trade's longer journey provides it with a tad more experiential wisdom. Knowledge repository. While Robinhood is enhancing its educational front, E Trade is the established guru with its expansive learning resources. Guiding your investment quest. Your choice of platform is akin to choosing the right compass for your financial odyssey. If you revel in streamlined simplicity and are looking to dip your toes in the investment waters, Robinhood's charm might beckon. For those desiring a profound dive, equipped with detailed maps and tools, E Trade stands as the seasoned guide, gazing into the horizon. As the financial tapestry evolves, both Robinhood and E Trade are poised for metamorphosis. Their future paths, while rooted in their foundational ethos, will undeniably be marked by adaptability, innovative integrations, and heightened user experiences. Thank you, dear explorers, for joining this deep-sea expedition into the realms of Robinhood and E Trade. If this voyage enriched your investment insights, shower some love with a thumbs up and do subscribe for more enlightening journeys. Our next adventure dives into the mysterious caverns of cryptocurrency. Till our paths cross again, may your financial sails be ever billowing with prosperity.